Slide 1 Introduction. Hi everyone, today I want to share my research and empirical analysis precision marketing of e-commerce based on machine learning. The main idea is simple. Online shopping platforms collect a lot of user data, but traditional recommendation systems don't always use this data well. They have programs when users are new or when data is missing. My goal is to save. This uses smart models that can better understand what users want and give them useful product suggestions. Slide 2 Literature Review. Let's look at what other people have done before. There are two popular methods for recommendation: collaborative filtering and content-based models. Collaborative filtering is good when you have lots of data, but it is not helpful for users. Content-based models are better for cold start programs, but they can bring similar recommendations again and again. So, many researchers suggest using a hybrid model. In my study, I also used the optimization algorithm, RSO, to improve the hybrid system. Slide 3. Research framework. Here is the one research process. First, I collect and clean the data. Second, I build 3 models: collaborative filtering and content-based, and a hybrid model. Next, I test and compare their results using different materials. Finally, I design a range marketing project based on the best model. This means the research is not only 3. It can be used as a practice tool. Slide 4 Collaborative filtering model. This method is based on the idea that users who like the same products before may like similar products in the future. It finds people who like similar preferences. It is simple and easy to use. But if the user is new, or if there is not much data, the model doesn't work well. This is called the cold start program. Slide 5 Content-based model. The content-based model looks at each user's behavior, what they viewed, add the cart, or liked. Then it reconstructs projects that have similar features. In this study, I used a model called Cart Burst to learn which behaviors lead to purchase. This model works well when users don't have many friends or similar users. It gains more personal results. Slide 6 Feature importance with Cart Burst. Here you can see which user actions are most important. We found that adding a project to the cart on day 2 or 3 is a stronger signal. This means that behavior helps predict whether a user will buy. Knowing this helpful, it tells us when and whether to recommend. Slide 7 KRSO hybrid model structure. This is my main model. The hybrid model called KRSO. The use case means clustering to group similar users. Then RSO, a table of optimization algorithm, improve those groups. After them, let GBM ranks the products for each group. This way, the model compares group in optimization and smart prediction. It gives better recommendations than traditional models. Slide 8 Evaluation results. Here are the test results. I used the precision, recall, F1 score, and MAE to compare the models. The KRSO model had the best recall, 91.5%. That means it found more than the right products for users. It also had strong precision and a long word right, so it's more accurate and more complete than the other models. Slide 9 Marketing strategy. I also built a marketing plan based on the model results. First, I used the model the circle users and put them into groups. Second, I sent them messages through the app, email, or SMS. I also use A or B test to see which messages work better, and I check performance using ROI. This helps companies improve their marketing over time. Slide 10 Acknowledgements. Before I finish, I'd like to thank you a few people. Thank to my professor for guidance and help during the research. Thank to my classmates who support the work. Thank to Alibaba for providing the Taobao data center. And of course, thank you to my family for their support. Thank you all for the listening.